Excel gives us a lot of tools to work with to make using the application easier, including the Quick Access Toolbar, which puts the buttons you used most often right there at the top of the screen. So let's look at the Quick Access Toolbar. By default, it contains 3 buttons: Save, Undo, and Redo. Pretty handy, but we can do better. To add buttons to it, just click the triangle at the far right end and choose from a list of frequently used commands. Or from that menu, you can choose More commands. First, I'll add Quick Print, which will print a copy of the active worksheet, no questions asked, to my default printer anytime I click the button. There it is. That was easy. Easier still, removing buttons you no longer want. You can either reselect a check button on the menu, as I'm doing here, or right-click the unwanted button and then choose Remove from Quick Access Toolbar from the pop-up menu. Now let's use More commands to add more buttons. In the resulting Excel Options dialog box, you see 2 columns. The one on the right shows the buttons already on the Quick Access Toolbar. The one on the left shows the commands you can add. Just select them on the left and then click the Add button in the middle between the columns, and the button or buttons are added. To get a bigger list of commands to choose from, I'm going to switch from Popular Commands at the top of the left column to All Commands. First, I'll add the Add a Chart button and then the Add a Hyperlink button. You can also double-click a button on the left, and that adds it to the right. I can also quickly move to commands by pressing letters on the keyboard. So I'll press the letter S, which quickly takes me to the commands beginning with that letter, where I'll scroll a bit and choose Save As. If you change your mind about a button you've added, you can select it on the right and click the Remove button between the columns. To rearrange the buttons on the Quick Access Toolbar, click the command you want to move and click the up or down triangles on the right. Remember that moving a button up moves it to the left on the Quick Access Toolbar. Moving it down moves it to the right, as the toolbar is horizontal. I'm going to move Save As up so it appears right next to Save. Once I've clicked OK to save my changes, I can right-click the Quick Access Toolbar and choose to display it below the ribbon. If I right-click it again, I can choose Show Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon, and it's returned to its original location. Note that choosing Customize the Quick Access Toolbar also opens the Excel Options dialog box, the same one we saw when I chose More commands. As always, Microsoft gives you more than one way to do just about anything. So try them all, and then stick with the ones you find easiest to remember and use.